This video is for the National 5 Graphic Communication assignment for 2022, the Smart Speaker. In this video, we are going to look at creating the speaker casing. Now, looking at the plan of datasheet 1B, we can see that this speaker casing is starting off as a triangle in shape. Therefore, we cannot use revolve because it is not cylindrical, so therefore we must use extrude. We're going to start off by creating the biggest triangle, which we can see from the plan has a size of 60, and that the triangle has got 60 degrees between each of the points. So I'm going to open up Inventor. I'm going to go to File, New, select Metric, and open up a new standard millimetre part. I'm then going to start a 2D sketch, and I'm going to select the XZ plane. I'm going to use the polygon tool and change the shape to 3. And I'm going to select the center axis and just draw a triangle, like so. I'm then going to use the dimension tool to select the bottom line and make sure that that is 60. And because we've used the polygon, you can see that the sides are already at 60 degrees. Once that's finished, we're going to finish the sketch. And if we go back to our drawing, we can see that the largest triangle has an overall size of 60. So I'm going to go to extrude, and I'm going to extrude this by 60, like so. Once we've done that, we're going to hollow out the triangle by using shell. So if we go back to our drawing, we can see on the plan that the inside triangle has a distance of 3 millimeters, and that is the same on every side, including the base. So I'm going to click shell, I'm going to change my thickness to 3, and I'm going to select the top surface so that it shells and removes the top, and I've hollowed out the triangle shape. After we've done that, I'm going to look at drawing the triangle on the bottom. So I'm going to flip my shape around. I'm going to start a 2D sketch, and I'm going to select the bottom surface, like so. Now, having a look at the triangle shape on the bottom, we can see that the bottom line is 11 millimeters away from the bottom of my 60 triangle. We can see that it has 60 degrees from each corner. So therefore, we're going to start drawing out the shape on the bottom of our original 60 triangle. So again, using the polygon shape selected at 3, I'm going to draw a triangle. Make sure you don't click the center of the axis. So I'm just going to go slightly above it, and I'm just going to draw a triangle. I'm then going to use the dimension tool to make sure that the bottom line of my triangle is 30, and that from the bottom line to the bottom corner of my 60 triangle, that is 11. And just to check, I'm going to make sure that the bottom corner of my 60 triangle to the bottom corner of my 30 triangle is 15, just so that it's in the centre. Now, because we used polygon, we already know that all of the angles are at 60. And that the lines are 30. So I'm going to finish the sketch. I'm going to go back to our drawing, and we can see that it has been extruded by 5 millimeters. So I'm going to click extrude. I'm going to change the distance to 5, and I'm going to press OK. And you can see now that I have a smaller triangle on the bottom of my larger triangle. Next, we're going to create the circles that are on each side of our shape. So if we can look at the drawing, we can see that there's 3 circles cut out from each side. The circles are 39 diameter, and that from the bottom of the triangle to the centre of the circle is 35. So I'm going to start off by selecting Start a Sketch and select one of my sides. I'm going to draw a circle in the centre line at 39. I'm going to press the dimension tool, and I'm going to go from the bottom of my 60 triangle to the centre of my circle, and I'm going to make sure that that is 35. And I'm just going to check that from each side it is 30. So from the side to centre is 30, which it is. Once it's done that, I'm going to finish the sketch, and I'm going to click Extrude, and I'm going to click my circle, and I'm going to change the direction to direction 2 and make sure that it's selected Extrude Subtract. And there I've got my first circle, and I'm going to repeat this on every side. So start a 2D sketch on the next side, draw a circle at 39, dimension from the bottom of the 60 to the centre of the circle to be 35, and then extrude subtract it. And then same again on the third side. So circle 39, dimension from the bottom to the centre to be 35, finish the sketch and extrude subtract it. And that is the speaker casing complete. So we can just look at going to File, Save As, and saving it somewhere safe.